I got it.
There you go.
Yay, it's getting bigger.
Lizzie.
Dude, it's kind of a weird shape. Okay, what? Okay.
It's gonna be hydrogen. It would explode though.
So then
This is a big one.
filled with stinky hydrogen.
Then we could light a match and see what happens.
Like seriously, I'll just stick a cloth down in there, light it.
Dude, this one's getting really big.
Yeah.
How's that bottle feel? Is it hot?
It's getting a little hotter, yes.
I was like melting through it.
Crikey, mate. That's a biggin.
What?
Makes it sound awesome.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, the bottle's getting really hot now.
Other rubber gloves. Wherever Denver put that other rubber glove.
It's over there in the chair.
Alright.
Isaac.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
There's a rubber glove thingy over there.
Alright, let's take it outside because put the rubber glove on and take
Okay,
it
where is
outside.
it?
I don't know who's got
It's
it
over
right
there. In the chair. Like way
I
over
know
there.
it's this thing in my
Denver, where's the lighter? Where's the lighter?
I'll get it.
Here.